Hello and welcome to my first video. Today we're going to talk about something called collocations. Now, what are collocations? According to Cambridge Dictionary, collocation is a word or phrase that is often used with another word or phrase. We are going to talk about make and do, because these are the ones that people confuse the most. As a teacher, I often have students say, "Oh, miss, I made my homework, which is sadly wrong because you have to say, "I did my homework." Why does this happen? It happens because in many languages, make and do, which is something that means a process or an action, is just one word rather than two. So when people start translating, there is very, very little chance that they get it right, unfortunately. So today I will show you a simple way of dividing these up to make sure that you get these right. Make or do. Let's have a look at the difference between these two. Make normally refers to the result, something creative, something you choose. Do normally refers to the action, something you do all the time, something that you have to do. So when do we use do? We use do to talk about subjects. Do maths, do geography, do English. Do art as a course, not as a process. Do music as a course, not as a process. Schoolwork. Do a test, do an exam, do research. Work. Do business, do a job. Housework. Do the washing, do the cleaning, do the ironing, do the washing up. Looking after yourself. Do your hair, do your nails, do your makeup. Now, sport can be a little bit tricky because there are three verbs that we can use. Do, go and play. We use do if it's not a team sport and a ball is not used. General actions. Do something, do anything, do nothing. Result or degree. Do well, do badly. You can say, "Oh, I did really well in my exam." Okay, so now we can go on to make. When do we use make? We use make with the following. The arts as a creative process. So you say, "I enjoy making music in my free time." Communication. Make a phone call, make a joke, make a complaint, make a comment. Process and progress. Make a mistake, make a choice, make a decision, make plans. Relationship. Make friends, make up. As in to say sorry, like, "Let me make it up to you." Money and finance. Make money, make a profit, make a fortune, make a payment, make an offer. Food. Make a sandwich, make a pizza, make breakfast, make lunch. Drink. Make a cup of tea, make a cup of coffee, make a smoothie. Now, I know what you're thinking. How about exceptions? Like with any rule, of course there are exceptions, and I will talk about these in my future videos.